What the hell? Replacing windshield wipers. Easiest DIY you can do on a car. But no, they have to make it complicated. Welcome to Oak Hollow Garage. My name is Thomas, and I'm going to show you the trick to getting these wiper blades into the position you need so you can put new blades on it. I'm not going to show you how to change wiper blades because anybody can do that. I think you should be able to. But anyway, secret to getting the wiper blades in the right spot on my 2011 Audi Q5 and probably a lot of other modern cars. Stand by, I'll show you. Okay, first thing you need to do is get into your system, and at least on my car, you press car and the menu switches to what you see before you, and you can see where it says windshield wipers. Scroll down, push the button. Apparently you have to turn the ignition on. Turn the ignition on, there we go. And you see service position is off. Push the button, scroll down to on, and you see no windshield wipers. Push on. Scroll back down to on, push on. And windshield wipers, just like magic. Now we can swap out our windshield wipers and put new blades on. This concludes my video for the day. Have a good one. I'll see you next time. Oh, also, don't forget to switch it back to service position off so the windshield wipers will tuck back down neatly under the hood.